This is John Wright with Keller Williams and Regional Director with 72 Sold here in Chicago. I am with one of the most recent 72 Sold clients, and Kathy H. We got her property here under contract in Chicago, listed on Wednesday, and we had several showings that we just brought through short time periods, Thursday and Friday. Had open house on Saturday. And Kathy, how were you pleased overall? What are your thoughts on the 72 Sold program?
I think it's very awesome, and it's just an easy, convenient way to get your house sold.
And how was I as your realtor?
You were awesome.
Okay,
very easy, very quick and easy. It's just amazing experience.
Did what I said I would do.
Yes, you did.
Okay. And so how about the number of showings that we had and the number of offers that you received?
Awesome.
Okay.
It was a great experience.
And lastly, how do you feel about your sales price?
Beautiful.
You heard it,
yes.
Not from me, you heard it from Kathy H., who we just sold a home in under 5 days with the 72 Sold program with multiple offers and a sales price that was much better than originally anticipated. So if you want to get your home sold through this program with me, give me a call at 773-733-1888. I'll use that 72 Sold program and get your property sold at the speed of Wright.